This one sweets me. Oh, but let's celebrate. Hey, let's celebrate. Oh, they don't cry for live video. Finally. And you get why don't cry for live video. Wololo. Wololo. When they want to bear, I want to stop there. Woo! He don't cry, yo. Finally. No, mama, don't cry. Woo! This one sweets me. Who they cut on you for Facebook? Perry, they cut on you for Facebook. We never do give them away. The babies are not get champagne for house. This kind of matter, I suppose they pop champagne. First, my brothers, nothing they saw. We did. Boom. Ichoko! Hey! What are not the ways for me you come cry for live video sis? I'm so happy. You don't say, you don't feel like it. You cry for live video. Now me the runner. Now me very good thing. Me, I will be your worst nightmare. Hey! Shut up! We shall be stay down.
Goldie, this RIP where you with Enogi wife, what can they do now? It did not nonsense, eh? Una go just they carry pictures for pikin where they are alive. Una go they put RIP. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Perigold. Perigold in a bag. You don't feel talk on that day say you don't want to post a no get children picture again. Wait till come make you do this one. Why you go to put a RIP for children where they are alive? Eh? I don't understand. I say look Enogi side. Enogi wife to the same thing. Enogi and the wife they see put a RIP for your brothers will be twins. They put a RIP for their picture too. They see put a RIP for many pictures for there, you know. Maybe more not take this thing easy. Now New Year we want to see enter so. When I want to see you saga they enter New Year. Now wow, my people, oh, not where person not go see for this social media. Sha, When I want you saga they enter New Year again. Now what for now? If they do na saga, we did the prayer our prayer because not be every time saga everywhere. I even don't think say this thing doesn't settle because she can't delete all the pictures. I shocked now when I see they don't start to post pictures again. Who they advise on wrongly for all those saga what they do? People they do saga before they don't post pictures. Put a RIP. No. Now just come different for this saga. Anyway, I don't blame one. Now the people wanna come meet for the social media. Now their leg now they carry. Now because I don't see reason why una go dey quarrel, una come begin to insult una own children. Now wow, my people, ma put the video more now.
This one sweets me. Oh, but let's celebrate. Hey, let's celebrate. Oh, they don't cry for live video. Finally. And you get why don't cry for live video. Wololo. Walolo. When they want to bury, I come with something. He don't cry, yo. Finally. No, Mama, don't cry. Woo! This one sweets me. Who they cut onion for Facebook? Perry, they cut onion for Facebook. We never do give away. The babies are not get champagne for house. This kind of matter, I suppose they pop champagne. Pass my brothers, nothing they saw. We did. Boom. Ichoko! Hey! What are not the ways for me you come cry for that video sis? I'm so happy. You don't say, you don't feel like again. You cry for that video. Now me the runner. Now me very good thing. Me, I will be your worst nightmare. Hey! Shut up! We should be stay down. I don't care. Post my brothers. Post rest in peace. Post me. Post my mama. Post my papa. I don't care. Your children go die. They go die. My brother's picture on their Facebook since nobody today in their Facebook. Shomofo. Post their picture. Nora, Nadia, Nelly go die. They go die. Rest in peace to them. They don't die. I don't understand. Ibe you, oh, you can't cry, oh, for live video. It's a shame. Woo! This one sweets me, I swear to God. You say, I talk on. Now the beginning be this so. You know they cry, oh. Video. See your eye. You don't cry, tire. You don't feel bear again. It bear you. Dead body children. When you they carry waka. Dead body children. You don't know address. You don't feel conference. Come fight Perry. You want fights. You want to say you the match. You do like this. Come fight me. If I come out the nipple we see for social media, if I all show the breast, if I all go crazy, it sweet me. I feel good. You should never die, you know they cry. They never die, you know they cry. You don't go die tomorrow, God. You don't go die this night, God. I feel. Mother, you know as your children go take die. Mama Nora, your children go sleep. They go use no stay sleep. They no wake up. This night, they go use no stay sleep. They no wake up. You don't feel her. You don't feel her. You don't feel her. You don't feel her. I tell you. I tell you. They will sleep with their nose. They don't wake up. Man, you know shouldn't say they dance. I think they die. Might tell you, The other one, go give the other one something, you go swallow. You go swallow something, you go die. My tell you. No. Now sleep. You go to sleep, you go use snow, stay sleep, you go die. Hey. Come on, shut up your mouth. Even your mama na fool. Get out. Now they want perigold, they run out for social media. No le. That's my pikin, eh? You say so my pikin that I no get rest of mind. Accept it. Since when you take born those imbecile when you born, you don't get rest of mind. Since when you take born all those lesbians when you born, you don't get rest of mind. Now be cry, you can't they cry for life with you. Sophia, how you be you for body? You feel my saga be? My saga touch you abi? What did you never do before you do am? You say crazy, you never crazy. I make you run mad. You see I see the craze. This is the beginning.